This is another goods that I buy today from Migros. This is a kitchen scale and very useful if you are going to cook by yourself. And also this is so cheap. Less for sure the price is less than 10 Swiss franc, and you can see the maximum specification is 5 kilogram with 1 gram for the step, so very sensitive. And you can take a look at the unit and to display, and we can take a look at the back. There is a description, but yeah, there is no English description here. As you can see, they need 3 volt of battery, and yeah, and you can see the battery is included in the sale, so you no need to buy the battery ready inside. Let's open it now. You will get one battery here separate from the unit, and you got also the manual books, but there is no English explanation here, only in German, French and Italy, I think. Yes, and this is the unit. It's quite big and useful, and this is the battery compartment, and we are going to insert. So now we are going to insert facing like this. So the bottom is the negative, flat is the bottom, and the positive is in up. You can see the plus sign here. Insert now, so easy, not a big issue of inserting. Close, and you can take a look at this, and you can change its gram, and you can take a look at in ounces if you are measuring water, or milliliter for some. If so, you can not only powder, you can also measure for something like water, milk, something like that. Just a quick example. This is very sensitive. Even only plastic like this will have some weight indicator there. No, I think this is less than 1 grams, and you have to put this, so you can put example the water, and you can do there to make it 0. So if you add something, it will be as new additions of ingredient. And you can see they have different units. So example, this is the standard, this is for the grams. If you will find ounces, if you press again, you will find pound, lb, pound, and you will find milliliter. So here, and for example, we can use this how much we can use the milliliter, change the unit to millimeter. Yeah, there. And example, this is an empty, and I put there, make it 0, and I want to get, for example, 100 milliliter or 50 milliliter. I will pour till 50, and then you can for sure this will be 50 milliliter. This is how the, hey guys, so something like that. Is very useful if you are going to cook and want to precise your cooking effort. So you need a kitchen scale like this to make your so delicious, make your cook become a good result. And the most important things, it's edible, anyone can eat. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you love cooking, making something, a kitchen scale is a no-brainer choice, yeah, that you should have in your kitchens. See you later. Bye.